Hey everyone, in this video we're going to look at the same data that we used in our past video with the alligator growth data. You see our line that we estimated by I is sitting there. Our equation we came up with is down here. What we really want to do is figure out what is the line of best fit, which one does 100% fit this data the best. And we'll look in the next video at how this is determined, but we're going to use our calculators to get this model. So there's three questions here. What's the regression model? What's the correlation? We look at this. We've talked about correlation already. There certainly is a strong positive correlation that should be very close to 1. And then what does this equation mean? So you notice it's going through our center of gravity. The equation that we get from our calculator certainly will go through our center of gravity as well. So first thing that we would do in the stat menu right here is go in and enter our data. In L1, I put the X values, and in L2, I put the Y values. So L1 is the weeks, L2 is the weight, and just go stat again, and then over to the calculate menu, and linear regression 4. And 2, 3, L1 the X list, L2 the Y list. We leave these two guys blank, and we'll go through and calculate. And we see we did okay with our estimate from the last. So we get Y equals AX plus B, where A is 0.27 and B is 5.82. So the regression model right off of the calculator screen is Y. We usually say Y hat. Because this is a predicted equation. The regression model is about 0.27x plus 5.48 or 0.82. The correlation is right here, the R value, 0.995. So very good positively sloping, so positive correlation, 0.995. And so what does this all mean? And we're really talking about in this equation, what do these mean? So the slope, 0.27 is as I go over 1 week, I'm going to increase that many pounds. So pounds per week. It's the rate of change of our graph. And then this 5.82, it matches pretty close to our initial amount when X equals 0 weeks. That is the value we should have for our weight.